Good morning, Toronto. This is the view from our apartment here in Toronto. Very nice view. I'm at the balcony now, and let me give you a short tour of our apartment. So that's the entrance over there. Let's start there. So when you enter the apartment, first thing to your right is a half bathroom. Then, pardon the mess. Here's the kitchen, complete with microwave, oven, sink, electric range, the ref over there where there's a welcome sign, a dining table, a sofa, a huge TV. Then this is where we came from, the balcony. And this is room number 1. Say hi, CJ.
Hi.
Ash. Ash is preparing for breakfast. Then this is room number 2, a smaller room. It also has a cabinet over there, a closet. Nice. This is the laundry area. There's a washer dryer over there. This is another bathroom being used by Ate now. This is the master bedroom. There's a full bathroom here. A walk-in closet. Pardon the mess. So this is the master bed. Then again, the view from our apartment, view of Toronto. So that's our short tour of our apartment here in Toronto, and we're going to feature some places here in Toronto in our next videos. That's it for now. Ciao. This is the apartment from outside. It's 955 Bay Street. That's the building over there, and this is the view from the outside. Say hi.